chicken put it what them call steppers.
Steppers, that's what I say.
So now you must say steppers, they matter about the chicken foot. You know, they know a step, they must step. So this is the chicken foot. Whoa.
Yeah, the Jamaican curry this in it, so, you know, I look on the foot them. Yeah, because that's the same thing, I tell the people, I go and breathe in night, you know, and I'm a carrot, I'm a sweet pepper, I'm a Irish, I'm a scallion, I'm a onion, no, not tomato, but I tell you, I really go along with right now, everything that's the Irish at the time right now. You see, the Irish are the last thing, I'm the carrot, the Irish, why this is that? Hold on, don't put that. That's the one below. Watch that, level out there. Pass it, chop it up. Don't want to lick one side, I want to plumb the side.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
One side of the this is the high side. Start and turn the inside now. The low side here, yeah. So the easier for you. Line. This side. The mold now go. So drop over that. That you run out woman that Yo, Skillace! One look for the top. Do put it over there. Oh, line there. Yeah. Right. Go back, son. Go back, son, brother. Too much. Come back. Alright. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Alright, do your thing. Alright, look for the end of the block. As much as I say, that's all. Have a high side. So turn all the high side go that way.
We are with Baja, we are with the show.
Who's that?
For the Muslim yellow.
Scaffold.
Oh, scaffolding.
Where one? Watch me now. Run on the block, them man. You're not giving them. You block that there, so brother.
Scaffolding.
Ewa, lipa.
Strap it.
I just like we have to get rid of this.
It's up to go.
Yeah, not,
Grasses.
yeah, not needed.
Ewa. Why this is that? Yeah, don't put that. That's the one here. Watch out, level out there.
Pass it, chop it up.
But you know, you don't want to lift one side, you want to plumb it this side. You lift one side. When you knock it down, knock the middle of the block. Block with it, two over so. So you put it in that way. Now plumb that first side. Plumb this up. Alright, watch me. Away from the level, plumb the one. I plumb this one. Alright, you know what this is? Yeah. Rest my one. Because water can do one. No, plumb that. Rest my one. Dark. Yeah, tall piece of tall. Voilà. Let it come to do it first. Yeah. Come to it.
Kimbo. Whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa, whoa, chef. Kitchen smells good.
Yeah, there I know I line up some settings to the simmer round, you know.
Yeah.
The settings to the simmer round, the red, gold and green, you know.
Simmer round, simmer round.
Simmer round, you know.
Very ready to simmer round.
You have a proper wash up. You can say,
Yeah.
the carrot, my okra, my onion, my scallion, my thyme, Irish, I see pepper here. Yeah, man.
Yeah. You name it.
Yeah.
You name it.
Yeah, man, red, gold and green, man.
Red, gold and green.
Yeah, man, the red, gold and green style, you know. Yeah, man.
See how the okra.
Carrot, my okra. So I say, yeah, man. And carrot have look proper and thing, man, you know.
Carrot,
yeah, man. Yeah, man, so I say.
Red, gold and green.
Yeah, man, red, gold and green, man. See the people, red, gold and green, man. We don't have to go much, you know. You see what I go on, you see what I say? Only for red, gold and green, man. The team of it, you see what I say?
Yeah.
Up and running.
The dream team hard at work today.
Yeah, because the red, gold and green are my thing. I'll keep it spice, you know. Yeah, man, we're simmer around and look button, you know.
Yeah. And so today now,
Me have the steppers.
yeah, so today we have the meal sponsored by Dana
Dana
for the Dream Team. So we have Dana from the UK.
Dana from the UK.
Yeah. So it's Dana. We're gonna talk about Miss Dana out project where we are working on Miss Dana. Our Auntie Dana. We're talking about Dana from the UK.
Dana from the UK. Alright, Miss Dana from the UK. Enough love and respect, you know.
We're providing the meal today for the Dream Team.
Yeah.
You know, for the hard work they've been putting in. So
Yeah,
some have a nice meal to go to. You have a nice meal to get after, you know?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the
Yeah, 'cause I can say, boy, the work is hectic.
Yeah.
The work is on. The work is on. Yeah. And so the work is on, you know it go already.
Yeah man, Auntie Miss Dana.
Yeah, so
Auntie Dana, we
Dana.
can call it Dana, Auntie Dana, Miss Dana, Dana.
So
Yeah
she's,
man, enough love, only for respect, you see? Cause the meal for the team, they did it proper, cause some steppers, you know,
yeah.
some hot cornmeal, flowers.
Flowers.
Yeah, cause I'm looking about the flour.
Not flower, no flowers.
Yeah man, some hot cornmeal, flowers. You see me I say? Yeah man, cause
Yes.
some dumping, some dumping, some dumping, no really big like cartwheel and some art style. Yeah man, shape out like art and look. Yeah, so I go on man. So, you see me I say?
Yeah.
man.
Well, I say one, so I go on then.
Yeah man,
'Cause I know I love seeing
hot
the pot.
flowers, cause I know,
Yeah, it's not hot flower.
not hot flowers, some hot flowers.
Yeah.
You see, you talk about flour, I'm having a white flour dumpling here, you can a caramel dumpling.
So you call it
hot flowers, you know? Yeah man, so now I'm going to go and green phone, so I'm going to look up prep and look up at what I want over there and thing, you know?
Yeah, you know.
Yeah man,
Wow, chef for them talk, you know.
yeah man.
Yeah, big up yourself. Yeah. Thank you so much, Dana, for the Dream Team meal today.
Fork 1 and me a fork 2, you know?
So which one I use? Fork 2?
Yeah, I use my work on one, I use that one for the time big.
Fork 1.
Yeah, fork 1 me a work on, you know? Fork 2, look a small one, so you know. It's a fork 1, cause I know I put this a one.
Yeah.
Experience more than fork 2, cause it's tall.
Okay.
That's how the pot big. You have to just go down. Yeah, you can, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah man, fork 2 there, man. See fork 2 there.
Okay. So the fork 2.
Yeah man.
Fork 1 and fork
Fork
2.
1 and fork 2, you know. Proper. So we have one for the fish. And we have one for the dumpling. Yeah, I'm ready for dealing with the steppers. Now we drop the big spoon.
Yeah.
Cause you can't use everything and mix up in one thing. So, alright, now so we're going to start with this here now.
Alright then. See then. I'm just on the swim
Come and
around.
swim around like one step off, you know? Yeah man. Alright, people see there. Now stick down on the pot and get flour style, you know? Yeah.
This is French fries.
Yeah, we get the French fry style, so look on it. And anyway, in the country you can get sliced fish. Now we come to Jamaica and then in the United States or England.
Get French
We get the French fries, sliced fish. When we go to French, we're going to get it still in a certain country, but the Jamaican style, and we don't need it to see the red, gold and green around it, so. Look people. Yeah. Flour upon it to make it can't stick down. Alright. Like a French fry style, you know? Yeah man, you know say, can't put too much in the pot, I just put two things, you know?
Yeah.
We have too much fat on the stove right now, you see? Yeah, that's it. Yeah man.
Two.
You want to take a pot and this line up and can take 4 or 5 pieces tonight, so.
Yeah. Can we really have to upgrade that pot, you know?
Yeah
oh,
man,
chef.
we need
I know so you like this pot is very sentimental to you, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
So you don't
Yeah, the
know.
next pot I have the same way, but for the next one we will get
Yeah.
more, you know, we can hold 4 or 5 pieces.
I know so you don't want to get rid of that pot, why?
You know, so we don't want to get rid of that. One, the next one, we just put this one side, we will fry egg, Frankfurt or sachets or you can do a lot of things differently.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not say.
So we have the French fried fish right now.
Right now, so now we go up on the, you know,
The
say,
steppers
steppers you want to go and go on there.
and what the ground provide.
Yeah, man.
Dumpling. Dumpling. Wow. Banana in a skin.
Yeah, man, you know what the skin in the people, make the pot water strong, you know? Yeah, because only for iron it you know. Yeah, make the pot water strong, the banana in the skin is better.
Yeah.
Make the banana in the mash out. Yeah, man, we got the people in there.
Yeah.
You see that I'm seeing the skin? It's better to make it no mash out. You see what I say? And the skin give you a whole heap of iron in the water itself. So you take a cup of the water now and drink, you bust a big. You see what I say? Yeah. So that show you say, yeah man, it good. Yeah, that's how I always boil it in the skin. Can't already know, we're done. Put them in the base and take them out and just chip out the skin. Whoa!
Whoa!
Drop meat out, you see?
Whoa! Just
nice,
like that.
Just like that, you see what I say?
Just like that.
You don't watch your face, man. It a boil and that steam at the same time. It a boil and that steam at the same time.
Boil and steam
At the same time, yeah, because it a boil under the skin.
Yeah.
And the skin has to steam. Yeah. So, yeah, man, I've learned enough things, you know, people, because I learn to cook at 88, I learn to cook, you know.
Give time.
Yeah, 88, and my mother, you know, left the pot.
Yeah.
Saltfish and dumpling, it's saltfish and dumpling. It's scallion, onion, and tomato and pepper. We have a butter bean, we have a ackee, we have a saltfish, we have the ackee, we have the rice. So we just use the proper thing we use, country style.
Them time there.
Yeah, scallion, tomato, and pepper. I look at this garlic tonight, so I finish up 8, now about 9 the whole time there. Yeah, a clap. Yeah, man. So,
wow, chef, I cook down.
So them time they know, some of them get the experience. I'm out on Sunday. Yeah, me and my mother cook, you know.
Yeah.
Get the coconut, set on the peas, I wash all the rice too, you know. I mean wash rice too, you know, because I know I love wash rice. Come and swell the rice.
Yeah.
And you cannot cook half
So
pound.
the swelling plus the prior.
That's some more time I don't cook enough rice. I cook at half pound, I turn a pound.
Yeah.
I cook pound, I turn pound and a half. I cook pound and a half, I turn 2 pound and a half. Yes, me I say?
Yeah.
That's right, you know.
Yeah,
So,
I mean.
the dumpling I try to make it. I don't want it swell, I want it swell, but it can work.
Alright.
Yeah, it can work, you know.
Alright then.
Yeah, man. So,
See
you
what I'm
know,
going with the steppers then.
right, so then just look for the pot water with thick. Boil the skin, boil out, make it iron water, this I look for, you know. Yeah, man, look for the pot water, get thick, watch it. Watch it. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Hold it for iron, man. 1 cup of this, man, you belch, man. 1 cup. And I eat that. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Hold it for iron, man. Easy will come up, watch the skin, watch it, watch it. You see what I say? Watch it, you see what I say? Watch it, easy will come up. Easy. Easy and cheesy. Easy and cheesy. So, watch it. You don't have to worry yourself.
So get the spoon now, so I go on the steppers fast, boy. Can't keep up with the wow chef. Can't keep up with the wow chef.
We have to do this, you know. Yeah, because we grow in cooking. Yeah, man. So, hold it for things, man.
Steppers, we are step on them. So them chicken foot, the paper, chicken foot, is that what they are? Chicken foot is what them call steppers.
Steppers, that's what I say.
So when you hear me say steppers, come and talk about the chicken foot. You know, so you know step, them a step.
That's it.
So this is the chicken foot. Whoa.
Yeah, the Jamaican curry this in it. So, you know, I look on the foot them. Yeah, because the same thing, I tell the people, I go and grill the night, you know. I mean, I'm a carrot. I'm a sweet pepper.
Yeah.
I'm a Irish.
Yeah.
I'm a scallion.
Yeah.
I'm a onion.
Yeah.
No, not tomato, but I tell you, the red gold and green. Right now, everything that's the Irish at the time right now. You see? The Irish are the last thing. I'm the carrot. See the Irish there. See the Irish there. See me I say, see the Irish? You see me I say, so everything I mash out there, the carrot and the thyme. Yes, since I'm done now. Whoa, finger licking. You want a case, you got the chicken combo.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
So it's a chicken foot combo.
Chicken foot combo this. Yeah, man.
Steppers
Yeah,
combo.
man. Chicken foot combo. No, I'm going to say steppers combo.
Chicken foot combo.
Chicken foot combo.
Yeah.
Yeah, because I'm done with it and put it one side for your plate with the calming flour
The flowers.
dumpling.
flowers dumpling.
God, me tell you. Yeah, man, with the yellow yam. Yeah, man. The banana full of iron.
Yeah.
One thing now, you know, I put the banana skin. You have to blend it, you know, and make juice, like you hold it for iron, you know. Yes, so cool, you know, so watch it. Look the people, watch it. Look there. Watch it, if you can come up with the carrot, come up on the Irish and you see what I say? Yeah, man, and watch it. Everything I melt out. Everything I melt out, you know.
Sure.
Watch it. Everything I melt out, and sweet pepper, this, you know, make it eat a sweet. You know, sweet pepper will go in there.
Yeah.
I see pepper eat a voila,
See it
you know.
then? Alright then.
Yeah,
Wow chef at him best.
Yeah, man, with the sweet pepper get a volatile taste with the pimento seed.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So we learn for cook, man.
Yeah, man. So we give thanks to Dana
Yeah, man.
from the UK.
Well, Dana from the UK. Boy,
Yeah.
I tell you. Yeah, man. See that chicken food combo here. Dumpling and banana. Whoa!
Whoa.
I tell you, Dana. You know?
Yeah.
Is that nice cooking Auntie Dana?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I can't say Dana. I can't say Auntie Dana. Anyway,
Cousin Dana.
Cousin Dana.
Sister Dana.
Sister Dana. Anyway, more I say. But enough love.
Yeah.
All for respect. Love you.
One team.
One team.
Dream team. Real
Cause
team.
love when you put out the work for the dream team.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. So, Dana, enough love and respect. But then in the kitchen, Dana. So,
Alright then. So circle here.
I go see the 100. No, we get the 100 yesterday. 200 yesterday. Yeah, cause day one guy yesterday, so day two now.
Alright.
So Monday gonna be day 4. Sunday tomorrow, so. Auntie Dana, enough love, hold for respect.
Alright.
Enough love, Dana.
Holy for work I go on the wall reach high already, you know. It's a bag the man them a fling up black man.
Yeah, black go up, you know. Up there.
Do it team at it, all pay.
Material, water. You wake up, wake up.
Yeah?
Hey, hold it. Alright, now cool your soil concrete.
Watching the head man splash.
Get down here, sir.
Yeah, no water.
Some of them. Well, what we use so far, we'll take out the hard part.
The water bucket. Material. Material, yeah.
One more concrete.
Alright. I can't get back. There's another one. Take it back.
Abaja, what am I going to do here? Now go.
Just put butter bean tonight, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Right, is it?
What is going on in here, bro?
Colors.
I never know a work going on down here, bro.
Yes,
What's
right.
up, man?
I'm here, man.
Yo.
So the work I go on.
Yeah, the team did a lot of work here, bro.
Yeah. Come look.
What's everything?
Everything good, man. Look, so the work I go on.
Here, let me come get a view here, man.
The foreigner just touched down.
How you guys doing, man?
The foreigner is here.
You guys doing a lot of work, man. Hey, Mr. Kedan. Mr. Kedan. On the work, bro. Yeah, Tina.
Baja, we have foreigner just reaching. We have foreigner just reaching.
Hello, lovely lady. Yeah, big up to all my donors them again. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, stop big up the donors, man. Yo, feel them right now. Hey, I'm living like king. Yeah, living
King.
like
So
king.
all you
bro.
want is a queen.
Oh my God. Oh, you know what?
That's
But
all.
you know, Right, I'm telling you, I'm telling you again. I don't want you to come video around the cottage till I get the chestnut jar, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm supposed to get in it like about the next 2 weeks from now. Chestnut jar. Yeah. Yeah, so more the donut them to see. Oh. Man, put some money at airport and fix up the place.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get what I'm saying? Yeah. I love how the dream team them. I love how the dream team them are going out with.
Yeah, I'm put in the work, you know. Wow, gone up quick.
What? That's what I say. Because I never know work what's going on down here, bro.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. So, you know, what about this outfit, donors?
Let's say outfit.
Oh my God.
Color
With,
code.
innit? Oh my God.
Color code.
It's a colors now, yo.
Colors.
Yeah, kiddo, you hear what Natasha just told me?
What you say?
These must draw me away.
Yeah.
Do you think so?
No. Sting them, I go sting
If they
them.
don't draw me away already.
Sting them, I go sting them.
Oh my God. Yeah, but
Nah.
you have to miss the like the outfit here, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
Bad.
Yeah, it's all that people them will watch me on your program where I have to dig them up. Because when I'm there at airport and they flew in,
Yeah.
they gave me money, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, they gave
Of
me money.
course. You always tell me.
Man, they them ear colors.
Yeah.
After my ear colors, I can know say somebody watching on the program.
Yeah.
The first thing they approach me, are you still chucking off in that big jacuzzi there?
Always.
Can't stop. Yeah, can't stop chucking off in that jacuzzi there, bro.
Yo, say my boy, Michael Door, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, always.
Have a thanks to what they're doing out here,
Yeah,
bro.
man. Man, I work fast, you know. Dream team, when I work, I'm working. Light box.
Yeah.
I bet you there's strength out there.
Yeah, man, I watch some.
Stand great, right?
I see me, 3 4.
Hold on. I wait till them done line up there.
Why come like the wall building a less than an hour, barge.
Hey, boss. Stay there.
The wall building a less than an hour.
I lost.
So everybody there yet? Can I reach back in? Can I reach back in? Baby and the...
Teacher, you cut, you know.
Yeah, man.
Cut like the wind, teacher, man. Stepping razor, you know. Stepping razor there. No one learn. Sharp teacher.
When I come, you call him?
Coming. Listen. That pizza is
You been out there?
one.
Oh.
My pirate thumper.
With the pirate boxer. My thumb too much. I have to go start box. Too much thumping. Too much. How we missing? Painter there.
Yo, let me oh, see you.
Baby, the Sam's there. Yeah. Call him.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.